Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here, and welcome to my channel. It is so great to have you here today, and I hope you are all having a wonderful day. It is going to be probably a little chilly or getting that way in Texas. We had a couple of nice days, and now we're back going into winter here pretty soon for a couple of days. That's one thing I like about Texas. It bounces back real quick, and my dogs like it too. Hey, we got Pup Mom. Yay! We're going to be getting into this box. It's called Share the Love Pup Mom Crate. So we are going to pop in here and see what we have. This is a monthly box. It's $39.99 a month, or you can sign up for like a 6-month subscription, and you may get it for maybe $38 or $37 a month when it averages, but you do pay for the full amount, and the 6-month subscription is $216 plus tax, I think. This is how it looks on the inside. We got our Pups and Kisses Pup Mom Crate. Work hard today so your dog can have the backyard they deserve tomorrow. And my dogs love their little treats. This is our little product card, and it's going to tell us what we have in here. It's going to say thank you for being an amazing dog mom. So they got a, little few punches in there for us. The great thing about this subscription that's $39.99 a month is half of the box is for your dogs and the other half is for you. So you get 3 to 4 or maybe 2 to 3 or 4 lifestyle items for yourself, and your puppies get 3 to 4 items. So each month it's a little bit different, and sometimes they'll just throw in a bonus product. But let's find out what we have. The first thing I see here is a couple of things, and I'm trying to find it here on their product card. But hey, do they have the wrong product card in here for this? It wouldn't be the first time. Boy, have we been having problems with our product cards. Yeah, I can just tell you that right now I see a Gizmo lunch, and inside it's going to be having the tomato, and I don't know what they're all supposed to stand for, but this is a Gizmo and Annie. I don't see it on the product card, but most of their toys run around $16.99. Now this is going to be crunchy for the dogs, and then you can put these little fruity things in here and they can dig them out. Or you could look at it as 2 toys in one, or really you could look at it as 4 toys, because by the time they separate these in a tug of war, they're going to have 4 separate toys. So this is number 1, and again, this would be around $16.99. Since it's got 2 tags on it, it could be $7.99 each, and we could find out that one of these is a bonus product, but I don't see that. So let's go on and see what else we have in here. Aww, looks like we got some With Love Gizmo and Annie Rose and Otter toys, and these have a value of $24.99. Did you know otters hold hands when they sleep? What a better way to celebrate love than the adorable duo toy. They are a perfect pair to celebrate this month's season. And of course this is for February, and that is so sweet. And look at their little tails they have on there. That is just precious. And I didn't know that they held hands when they sleep. That is amazing. And again, this has a retail value of $24.99. And it's for the small dogs. And then our next item we have in here, this is going to be one of the treats for me. Dog Mom. At least the dog likes my cooking. That's funny. Isn't that true? They all love your cooking. They love the good stuff. I'm going to see if I can see this. Ah, yeah, here it is. With Love Dish Towel, $14.99. And that's right here. Let everyone know how much your dog loves your meals with this adorable dish towel. With love, Annie. That is so cute. You guys, it's really nice and thick. It's got a good durable microfiber type fabric. So that'll be really great for drying, and also for if you have to wash something real quick. The next item is a Crown Tails dog treat, and this is Crown to Tail is Love is in the Air crunchy dog treats. Show the love that you have for your dog this Valentine's Day with this delicious treat. They will melt over. The all-natural apples and honey in this flavor pack, it's enough to have your pup's heart skip a beat. That's really cute. Alright, they're going to like those. They always like the treats, by the way. I don't have a problem with that. That had a value of $9.95. The next item we have is a serving plate, and it's with Love Annie. That's the brand. And it has a retail value of $24.99. They always have it packaged up really good. And I don't know if y'all remember, but I have a Dog Mom cup. And now I have a Dog Mom serving plate. So that's just excellent. I love that. It's so pretty, and it's just so simple. And it'll be very usable in my household. And if I was to have some kind of trinkets or trumpets or whatever they call it with tea, I could use my mug for that. That'd be great. It looks like we have a couple more items in here. This here is a Rose and Otter toys. Well, it was a $24.99 combined value for both of these pieces. Both of these pieces were $24.99, and we got this amazing rose toy. So it's just a nice little rose toy. It's kind of got crinkle hair on top, and it's something nice that they can run around and play with and probably even have a little tug of war. Very good quality. That's one thing I'll say about their toys. And then we have one more item here, and it is With Love from Annie Scrunchies. And this is for Valentine's Day, or anytime you're wearing pink and red, I guess, or pink or red. But there's 3 of them in here, and I'll let you take a good look at those. Those are nice. Okay, I've got one more item in here, and it is the High Hopes Mighty Meaty Bites, all natural, grain-free, bacon, egg, and cheese. And that's another thing I like about the snacks, is being grain-free. They're usually GMO-free, they're usually soy-free, and this is bacon, egg, and cheese, and I can tell you my dog's going to love this. Yeah, those are some good flavors, and they're little bite size, so it's perfect for some of my little dogs. So that is great, and that's called the High Hopes Treats. Let me see if I can find them on here. Okay, yeah, they're $7.99 retail value. They're training treats. So hey, if we want to get them started on some training, we could get that done. It shows a tumbler, but I didn't get a Dog Mom tumbler, so I don't know what's up with that. And I didn't get the Spunky Pup glow balls, so that might be why I got the other item that's not even shown here. But I'm not upset because I don't need another tumbler, that's for sure. And the little glow balls, that would have been cool for my dogs. They would have liked that. I'll email them and let them know what's going on. But I did get the plate as a recap. We got the Dog Mom plate. We definitely don't want to drop this on my floor because we know what happened to it. We got our Mighty Meaty Bites for our puppies, so that's 1 for them. And here's 2, 3 for them. We got the Rose and the little otters, the little Love otters. We got the hair scrunchies, and the little doggies got some crown tail dog treats for them. And we got our little tea towel. Dog Mom, at least the dog likes my cooking. That'll kind of go with some of my other kitchen stuff that I got last month. And then I think as a makeup for not getting the other 2 items that it shows in here, my guess is that they made it up by sending 2 different extra toys, which is the lunchbox and then these little lunchable snacks that you can have inside there. But they're 2 different products, and usually these run around $16. So I mean, that's, and because they're good quality. That's what I got in my box. I think it was a great box this month. My dogs are gonna love it. And if you get this for your dog, they're going to love it, and then you're going to love the little treats that they send for you. So that's all I have this time for the Pup Mom Crate. I do have a subscriber giveaway going on through the 26th. I have a I Won, So Can You going on through March 1st, and all that information will be down in the description. And if you had a favorite item of these, let me know. Do you think your dogs would love the treats? I know mine are going to love the bacon treats, the bacon and egg. And then, did you have a favorite thing of the moms? I like that little plate, but I also like the towel. So I'm going to say my favorite thing was probably the plate, because I can use that with the cup that I have. So anyways, that's all we have today. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.